In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Sendwave promo code. If you're new to Sendwave and want to unlock a bonus on your first money transfer, here's exactly how to do it from inside the app. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone so you're on the main screen. Next, look for the menu icon, usually the three lines in the top corner, or simply tap your profile picture if you see it there. Both paths take you to your account options. Inside that menu, find the option labeled promo code or enter promo code. Depending on your app version, this might appear under account, settings, or promotions, but the wording will be similar. Here's where to get a valid code. The most reliable source is a friend who already uses Sendwave. Ask them for their referral code. It's designed to be shared, and it typically rewards new users after their first eligible transfer. Another safe place to find codes is on Sendwave's official social media pages and in their email newsletters. Brands often post limited time offers there, so pay attention to expiration dates, country eligibility, and minimum transfer amounts when they're listed. Be careful with random third-party sites because codes found there are often expired or not intended for your region. Once you found a code, copy it exactly as shown. Go back to the promo code field in your Sendwave app and paste it in. Double check for extra spaces before or after the code, and make sure you haven't swapped any letters or numbers. Accuracy matters here. When the code is entered, tap Apply to activate it before you make your first transfer. You should see a confirmation message or a note that the promo is ready to be used. If you don't see confirmation, recheck the spelling or try a different valid code. After that, make your first qualifying transaction as you normally would. Once the transfer is completed, your bonus is applied automatically according to the offer's terms. The timing can vary, but you'll generally see the reward reflected shortly after completion. Keep an eye on your app notifications or the activity section for confirmation. And that's it. Open the app, head to menu or profile, enter a code from a trusted source, apply it before your first transfer, and let the bonus process automatically once your transaction goes through. Follow these steps and you'll make the most of Sendwave's promos without any hassle.